Alright, so this is my website. Um, I use it for YouTube, as you can see. It's to bring together my subscribers so they can hang out, talk, do whatever they want. Um, so I got the homepage, social media, discussion board, as well as like my daily, or not daily updates, but my weekly updates, Instagram updates, and YouTube updates. You can come here and see. And then I have an intro video, which if you click should bring you to YouTube, and then you can see the videos that I have. Um, or you can click the button here, and it brings you to a new tab that does that as well. I'm pretty sure this just brings you to the home page, so this also does. And then you can go to my social media page, and this is where all the social media would be once I get it up and running. And I got like an Instagram link, which would bring you to my Instagram if I posted anything, and then YouTube to bring you to my YouTube, which I do stuff on, and then Twitter, which is just that. I don't have much on any of this stuff right now. Life's been a little bit crazy and just haven't been able to do it. I just finished moving yesterday, so it's been a busy week. Then you can click home again, or find Diglet, and it'll bring you here. The discussion board is something that I wanted to work on, but I couldn't figure out how to with WordPress because of plugin based stuff you have to pay for, and I didn't want to end up paying for it because that's a lot of money. They had a giant whole year thing, and it was like $300. And so we'll go back here. And so a lot of this, as you can see, is just the background. It's the same on all of them. It's just a nice style. So the reason I got this name is because a YouTuber that I follow, his name is Magic Carpies Fly, and he was one of my favorite YouTubers when I made my channel, so that's where that name came from. And yeah, it's pretty interesting. It's been pretty fun, and it's pretty easy to use WordPress compared to other websites or just straight up code. It is a little bit limiting. That's not the button that I wanted to click. Go back to dashboard. Yeah. And so I thought I connected like a Google Analytic thing, and I was going to show that, but I can't seem to find where that's at. I believe I also connected this to my actual website that I use, that I've developed in my other class. This is what it looks like. This just types out what I am at the moment, so like student, web developer, programmer, YouTuber, all that. You can contact me at this email, which I'll probably end up changing once I'm done with CWI. And then some projects that I've made, which should let me, there we go, it just takes a second to load. This is just like a Pokedex that I made for one of my classes, and it has all the original Pokemon all the way down to Mewtwo 150. And they're supposed to have the description on them, but I didn't want to go through and do that on all 150 for just a little assignment, so I never finished that. And then just other websites that I've worked on, links to my YouTube and my GitHub, which I think is actually active, as you can see. I use GitHub quite a bit with all my other classes. So right now we've been learning Angular and stuff. So, and then a little description down here. And if you click these, it'll like scroll to the area. I found a template online on Code Sandbox is what I used to make it, and it had the typing things what I wanted, and that's what that was. The rest of it, I'm pretty sure I made everything. It's been pretty interesting to learn how to do, learn what to do. So yeah, that's my website. If you have any questions or know of any way to actually add a discussion board without paying for it, I would love to hear it. That'd be awesome. Oh, is it customize? Or no, wait, go back. I think it's the stats button maybe. And it should show, yeah, the activity stuff. So you can go like weeks or months, I guess. I guess I got some views last month. Year, the whole 10 views since I made it. So yeah, it's been interesting to learn different ways and different options out there, and it's been pretty cool. So thank you. Back